So Matej, if you want to start.
So, hi everybody. The first application that I want to show you is an application that I really use a lot. It's called Things, and it's an application for getting things done. They also make a desktop version, so it syncs, which is really great. I haven't set up this demo phone to sync with my Mac, so I just entered some demo tasks to show you. So the first thing you notice is it's a bit different than most iPhone applications. It doesn't have the tab bar at the bottom. It's just a table. They did it because they want to show you more information in the first screen. So the way it's organized is you have an inbox at the top. You enter all your new tasks in the inbox. It's a way to quickly enter tasks without having to organize them by projects or.
So what does it do? Does it advise you when you have to do something, or is it just a way
Yeah.
to store in one place?
Yeah, you can also do that. You have a little plus button at the bottom. So whenever you need to enter some new task, you just tap on it and a new to-do screen comes up. So for instance, I would just type something. Fix that back, right? And you can also tag it. So you can organize by tags. So for instance, this is an iPhone thing and a work thing.
A work thing.
Yeah.
Do
And
you use it a lot?
yeah, I use it all the time. It's a great way to have everything that I need to do in one place and just check it off.
Yeah.
So okay, well, you can do also set a to-do date, so you know how many days you have left until you have to complete it, and you normally create the task in the inbox.
And
Right.
when it's done?
So,
sorry.
so then you can organize the tasks, right? So you can move it to today. That means it should be done by today.
Okay.
And you have, you see how many tasks are in which category. And the ones that are in today will also show how many you have in the application icon.
Good. What
Okay.
about your application?
Okay. Well, my application is called LPP Bus. That's the name of our company. It's an application that makes using public transport in Ljubljana, that's where I live, more efficient. It's kind of similar to David's application in concept, but it manages buses.
Better.
Well, it's different. It's different. His application focuses a lot on routing and on planning routes. My application is more focused on providing regular customers, commuters, with exact arrival times for the buses, because the application Ljubljana's public transport is based on buses, and it's a lot more difficult to predict when exactly a bus will come to a station than a train, because you have to consider all the traffic and everything. So even the company that runs the buses doesn't provide exact arrival times for all stations. They just provide times when buses leave from the first station, right? Mm-hmm. And all other stations have to rely on predictions. So they have GPS receivers in every bus, and they actually calculate when the next bus will come. So my application uses this functionality to predict arrival times for buses. So the first screen contains some favorite stations, since most people just use a few.
Okay.
And I also use the built-in GPS receiver to find nearby stations from where you currently are. Since we're in Italy now, you'll get some strange results, but if you're in Ljubljana, you'll get the nearest 3, or however you can adjust how many stations you want. If you select the station, we should get the arrival times. Yeah. So here are the bus routes and the next 3 arrival times. We can also look at them, how many minutes are to the arrival. I also have an icon if a bus is a low floor bus, so that people can easily get in.
And does it also give live updates?
Yeah, that is
Okay,
all
that's all live.
Yeah. So I have a list of every station here.
How long did it take to develop this application?
Well, it took quite a while since I was working on it part-time. So
Okay.
I'm a student, and in my free time I program even more. So you can search and everything. You have a list of routes, bus routes.
Can you see a map?
Yeah, of course. You have a schema.
Okay.
If that's easier
Cool.
for you, and I use also Google Maps that have all stations on it. So there are about 1,400 stations, I think. So it was quite a challenge to get it to perform good on the map. All those station annotations are clickable, and they show you which station it is, and you can also select the arrival times for the station on the map. And you can also show actually bus routes on the map, so you can see where exactly a route will take you.